Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. My name is Brianna, and we're on to this, day. Okay, I don't even know what day of Vlogmas. I've lost whole track. It's like, somewhere? I don't know. Anyways, so much is happening. I can't believe it's not even that far into December, and there is just so much happening. So I have a lot going on tonight. We'll see what all I actually get done. I need to get a lot done. But let me just say, it has been so hot. Like, I have a heater and it got too hot, and then like I was like, I can't do this, and so I like open up the window and like in a short sleeve shirt now, and you know that. But yeah, I'm just working here. There's my face. I'm just working, and then we get off work. We'll do more. I know work is not that exciting. Let me tell you about it. Yeah. Merry Christmas. You guys, it's happening again. Just kidding. Well, not really kidding. Oh, why is this doing it? Anyways, I never drink soda before. I've never been a soda drinker, you know. Never been a big fan. And I did the dating series 10 Dates in 10 Days. And snow cone, and then the guava soda. And now it's like I just want guava all the time. I don't know why. Guava is just my new favorite thing. But like, I've been getting these headaches every single day, like not every single day, almost every day, like in the afternoon, and I'm pretty sure it's like a pinched nerve. So I set up a chiropractor appointment for next week because I think it's just a pinched nerve in my neck. I've been taking like caffeine and like Tylenol and stuff for it, but I just hate I hate taking anything. But I finally just like, I don't know why, but a drink just sounds like that would help of some sort. Even though I'm not even getting caffeine, because the one I like is like with the guava, and the base is normally like 7-Up, which doesn't have caffeine in it, but I kind of want to get a lemonade base with it. Which maybe I'll say a 7-Up. 7-Up just sounds like it will, I don't know. You know, some like, at least how I eat, I'm like intuitive eating, and so I've gotten my body so like I crave stuff that I need. And not saying every single thing, because I eat way too many desserts, and I know I don't need the desserts, so, but normally, like, I'll suddenly think of something that I need, and that's how I'm kind of feeling like this is like, hey, I need this drink, and maybe that will help in some sort of this headache. I don't know, maybe it won't. Maybe I just get a drink because I feel like, okay, that could be it, but I was like, I'm just gonna try at this point, because I took I never drink caffeine, and so I only, like, I have, like, the Crystal Light when I have headaches, and I took Tylenol, and I took that a while ago, and it's not helping, so, at this point, I'm like, I'll try anything, because I have stuff I need to get done tonight. I need to get some pictures sent off, do some, like, editing. I need to do, yeah, I have a few different things, little projects I need to do. Come on, car. Yes, I'm gonna go behind you. Yeah, so I need my brain to be working to do this, because I'm gonna be working on those projects. Hanging out with my sister and brother. We're watching a movie. What are we watching? It's like Words in the Bathroom Wall, I think it's called. I could be slaying that. But my sister said it's her favorite, and it came out in the movie theaters during COVID, and I really don't see movies in the movie theater unless it's with that sister, and she didn't invite me. So who didn't go see it in the movie theater? Me. So that's how that's going. So I've had this headache all day. I know, sad story. My life is horrible. I know it's not, okay? But I had 2 different meetings I was training. So I work in an educational center. And I'm actually over like a team of people. No, so I usually just talk with like a lot of employees, and then occasionally have like outside of like employees. But I had like 2 different kind of like training meetings today, and of course I have like my headache, and it's like throbbing. I was like, I'm sorry. If I'm not making sense, just tell me, because my brain is shot. Doing that. So it's a great day. I really just want to get my drink and eat something for dinner, and then just lay around and do nothing. Wow, this is a popular place. Alright, thank you. You too. What drink? I'm like so excited because I just want my drink. Okay. Anyone else also get a little more emotional when you have headaches or you don't feel good and all that? Okay. That's how it should be. I kept going to other soda places and trying to get the same thing and I could not. The Castaway and what I got, it has Sprite base and then it had, or 7-Up I guess, 7-Up, there we go. And then it also has like fresh lime, coconut, and then guava. And it's really good if they can make it right. I feel like some places try, like, I don't know, I've had just a few that just, it wasn't quite strong enough. There's a bunch of different soda shops around here. Do different things, so they're kind of a little different. But this one was really, really good, so. So, did I just get ready for the day? Just to go out and get a soda? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. You know, I don't leave my apartment much unless there's a reason. And apparently today's reason was to get a drink. I need more reasons. COVID needs to go away and I need to socialize. Okay, that's the plan. Stop COVID, socialize, or just socialize. Yeah, there's an easier one here. There's an easier one. I get my dinner. What am I talking about? Oh my gosh. Got my dinner, got my soda. I need to edit some of these photos. Yeah. I got sent some flowers. And so I'm just gonna I took some pictures with them and blah blah blah. And then I just need to post about them, so I'm just gonna get and edit them right now and do that. Oh my gosh. I'm ready for bed. But I'm gonna go hang out with my siblings and watch a movie, and then I already committed to go in the gym. That's great, Brianna. Why am I doing this to myself? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm trying to be very ambitious and active, and I'm kind of regretting it at the moment. It's fine. It's fine. Hey guys, so I didn't finish the vlog yesterday. It really ended up not being that much going on with the day, so I thought I could find 2 days. So I did start filming these ahead, so I wouldn't be like stretched with all like the time and all that. So ended up working good today and yesterday because I just didn't have that much going on. But right now I'm going up to do a photo shoot with Sarah and then this other guy Cameron. So I'm gonna go actually up to Salt Lake City and do that. So I'm just trying to figure out earrings, have a few more things to get ready for that, and then I'm heading up to do that. I also I thought about doing another photo shoot after, but I don't think I'm actually going to do that because I was going to have my hair a certain way and I just did not like how it looked today, so I switched. But that's what's going on. Gonna go do, yep. Yeah. Okay, just about to head off. Ignore the dirty mirror, but this is the outfit. Earrings I made. Necklace from Forever 21. I believe. I think it's Forever 21. I could be totally wrong. No, I think it was from somewhere else. I forgot. Anyways. JCPenney. This is from Bohm. The shirt's from Bohm. And then the leggings are from Amazon. And then just ignore the shoes because I will not be wearing them for long. I'm just like, I have to drive. And I like to be in comfier shoes. So we're going to head off now. See how that goes. I'm pretty excited because I have a few other props and stuff I might change into. But for the most part, this should be a fun, chill photo shoot. Alrighty. I don't know how loud you guys can hear anything. It's starting to louder. But I'm here in Salt Lake. This is the first time I've been up here. Like, actually gone around pre-COVID. Okay, honestly, I don't come out here that much. So, it's not, like, a big deal. But, yeah, I'm up here. I've actually been here a couple times for a couple meetings. But, not, like, a whole lot. Trying to find the photographers. Which is Sarah and then her friend. It's so cold. I did not think it was gonna be this cold up here, so it's great. Like, yep.
Oh, what is up, familia? Welcome to the vlog.
Hey everybody! So we got Sarah and we got Cameron, and we're out here taking some photos at like the Saltaire Palace sort of thingy. So yeah, we're gonna take some photos. And yep. I didn't know it's directed at me. Okay, you guys, this location is so pretty. Look at these plant thingies. And it is getting a little cold, so that's not fun, but I like that. I like that. Great. It's way too cold. And they don't know what shots to watch. I don't know what to do. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming and freezing your butt off.
But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
We are done taking photos here.
It is so cold.
Oh, I am ice. Like, I want to keep taking more, but I think we're all ice. At least I know I am, so I am ready to go and get something warm and warm up because I'm ice. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey everybody. So, went and did all that stuff. I got a couple cool shots of the photo shoot, so I'm excited. I think the photos turned out awesome. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's Brianna_Jo_S to see all those photos. So, alright. I've not really mentioned this to anyone, but I'm really excited. So tomorrow, I'm gonna go and get this switched up. I'm going back blonde. Yeah! Honestly, I've hated having dark colored hair. If you know me, I've always just been like a blonde, and so I've hated this so much. I'm gonna explain more. There's a whole big reason I hated this. Hated it so much. But I will talk about that more tomorrow. I need to do a few edits. So I'm gonna do some editing to get these videos up and rolling. Oh gosh, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm so tired. It's been a long day. Thanks for holding it in for this 2-day vlog. But I'm just gonna sit back and relax, turn on a show, and do all that. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a great day, great night. Bye. I love you.